Are you suffering from dark knees, elbows, and strawberry or chicken skin? Welcome on board. Hello Luxurians, it's your girl Honoria with yet another amazing recipe. Sit back and let me take you through the process of how I made this beautiful exfoliating body scrub soap. So stay tuned and keep watching. The coffee made this soap to trace very fast. I mean, I didn't even realize that I had reached trace. Well, I did, but I just kept blending and thinking, you have to mix very well. But guess what? It became a ton trying to put that into my mold. So this is what you want to go for. This is a consistency you want to go for if you want to be able to pour that very easily into your molds. So, but I didn't stop there. I kept blending. And then we had this very thick paste to work with. This is what I'm talking about. This is not easy to fit into my mold. So you want to try to make sure you're working with a very light trace when you're working with coffee, because by the time you start putting it into your mold, it keeps getting thicker and thicker and difficult to work with. But I must say, we did it. We have very crooked bars in the end, but we did it. And the soap, it's the quality in the soap that matters and not the shape. So if you're going to sell this soap, you need to make sure in bold letters that you are pouring your paste into your bar when it has this very light trace. Otherwise, you're going to have this very crooked bars in the end. But anyways, our bars turn out nice and it's very rough. As expected, the soap is very rough, like it's very exfoliating. The coffee did a great job in the soap and the rosehip seeds as well. So this is a very rich bar. I can't wait to use it. So at this point, we're just going to let this sit for 24 hours, or when it gets really hard in the mold, it can stay longer. It can stay 24 hours, 48 hours, or even 72 hours, depending on the oils you used in making your soap. but I'm pretty sure that it's gonna take less than 24 hours to harden because of the coffee in it. So yeah, and after that we're going to unmold, then we're going to let this sit and cure for 4 to 6 weeks before it can be safe for us to use. So that's the process. I'm just gonna set my soap with isopropyl alcohol to give it this shine finish. You see what I'm talking about? My bars are very crooked. Yeah, you know that already. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.